The symposium on the subject of determining personnel requirements analytically, new approaches and trends, was held at the University of Magdeburg on the 6th of December. It was a first in two senses. This subject area had never been discussed in a public arena in close conjunction with MTM, and it was the first joint event for the German MTM Association and the Department of Company Management and Organization at the University of Magdeburg. Considering that this was the first event, I'm very happy with the people involved. The atmosphere was pleasant, it was like a workshop, which was what we wanted, and we'll see how things develop. Some 40 specialist staff and managers from personnel and organization departments gave this subject the importance that it increasingly has in the business world. Rationalization processes are often tackled practically by cutting back on personnel costs. Professor Dr. Spengler and his team pleaded for companies to handle human resources in a responsible manner, and they emphasized the need to manage and optimize administrative processes. The lectures and statements made by most of the speakers showed that MTM and its MOS office system provide an outstanding approach for assessing personnel and determining personnel requirements. At the Bahn Health Insurance Scheme, we view MTM as a methodical procedure. It is accepted by colleagues, but it also improves organizational processes to handle internal tasks. Using MTM ideas has also paid off for Euler Hermes Kreditversicherungs AG. MTM has fulfilled my wishes in making processes absolutely transparent. We now finally have a basis for assessments across the board so that we can assess all the changes which could arise or will come by asking, what are the effects on the process times? How will this affect personnel requirements? We have a wonderful basis for discussions with the specialist departments, IT and the works councils. Georg Krekeler, the former manager of IT production at VW Wolfsburg, Rolf Waddenberg, a member of the board at the Dräger and Hansa Health Insurance Scheme, Henry Röder, process management manager at the DB Vehicle Maintenance Works in Dessau, and Wilhelm Uphold, project manager for industrial engineering at the BMW factory in Leipzig, shared their practical experience on determining personnel requirements. The symposium in Magdeburg on the 6th of December was rather like a workshop and was well used by the participants to discuss critical issues and share experiences. Professor Spengler said that this was just a first event, which would be continued next year.